What's going on, guys? Today I've got a little video. I've got something to put on. This is an 09 Altima. What I have here is a new wheel hub assembly. The bearings are going bad. I've already replaced the driver's side, and this is going to be used on the passenger side, of course. The front, you can see there, nice shiny new wheel hub. And I got this from, I think it was 1A Auto. It's 1A or carparts.com, I can't remember. But it was, they're only about 40 bucks for each side. So got that going to go on. I'm going to try to do a little walkthrough. It won't be a lot of talking. I'm just mostly going to use the video. I'll use some captions, but I know you do need, I've got it wrote down here, a 14mm, 22mm, 10mm, and a 32mm. And if there's anything else, as I'm doing this, I can't remember exactly the process, but as I'm going through, if there's anything else, I'll just add it into the video. So here we go. Let's get dirty. Is a 17mm. Got on a little extension and a swivel. There's 4 bolts, one here, 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 and over here, that actually hold the hub in. You'll definitely want to hit these with some oil, and you can, if it's a little difficult, turn the wheel to either side will help with the clearance. And you'll probably need a breaker bar. Breaker bar. Yeah, you probably can't hear that, but I can feel it. Rough shape. Make sure the hole lines up so the ABS sensor can go in correctly. Okay, so that took me right about an hour. Yeah, my dad stopped in, talked for a little bit, slowed me down some. But 09 Altima, it has almost 97,000 miles on it. Both the front wheel bearings went bad, so replaced both the hubs. Not a bad job. If you've got a little bit of mechanical knowledge, you can do this job. It's not that hard, really. Just take your time and pay attention to what you're taking off and where it goes when you put it back. So hopefully somebody can learn something from this, and I promise guys I'm going to get better. So thanks for watching. Have a good one.